Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills uba Sylvester Nongtnger ulay atho baki Pulit kilayo ban kem ya laingut kibaran kiti ha ke jingjia ka balajia ha Mahadev Khola hinin ka arpu sautrik naitung arajar arpulai ha ka ba arngut kidei kibaran Khynnah uba Nongtnger ulay atho bakani ke jingjia kala sedang na ke jingwan the jingthe jongweu breu ha ka ba uneu breu shim la tre ban ai pisa bat hang ni kala mi ka jingania bat wanra ru ka jingya sho ya dan ule thu ru bahadin kani ka jingjia uneu breu la wan lang harengkat ki parlok jong u bat hang ni kala mi biang ka jingya sho hagani hi ka jaka nakaliang ki Pulit mariayo jingtep kila her sakani ka jaka bat lingba ki kor ringdor ni ki CCTV kila itho yegini ki badon kti balayo ru ban kem yeki hagabe dei bat kani ki Pulit kirang penlong ye ka jing tokit nagabenta ban lapsai ya ka daw jong ka jingjia.
One person came to Mahadev Khola and he asked for this Amul cool drink from a shopkeeper there, and he says that he didn't have money and he says that he will pay later. Then however the shopkeeper she refused to give him because he is not having money. Then at the time there was a scuffle with her. Then immediately son of this lady came to rescue her, and there was a scuffle between the two. Then this boy ran away. Then after half an hour or so, he came back with 4 boys. So then when he came there, then they had scuffling this and that, and they have entered Mandir also. So they have assaulted this lady and that son. Then after that they ran away to the destination where they had gone. Then after that incident, the police came to know. Then immediately the officers from Jalupara post rushed to the spot, and of course senior officers, including SPCT, so has gone to the spot to take stock of the situation. Then after we have identified the footage from the camera and so on, so we have identified the culprits who were involved in this incident. So last night the East Khasi Police immediately swung into action, the whole night plan operation. Then we have arrested 3 persons and apprehended 2 juvenile boys. So then after receiving FIR, a case has been registered in Building 3. Case number is 9107-2023 under section 323/447/394 and 34 IPC. So this 3 will be produced today in the court, and of course this 2 juvenile will be dealt as per the JGP Act. And the intervention will be done properly. For all these 3 boys, and action will be taken as per the law. So this also can you to case.
You would like to add?
With regard to the incident yesterday, in fact we had seen in social media reports and also in certain news channels that because it happened in the temple premises, so communal color was given to it. I'd like to just assert out here that from our preliminary investigation, in fact it's a very nascent stage, it actually happened to be an assault out there resulting from robbery and trying to snatch things from there, and it was assault arising out of the altercation which they had, and had nothing to do with any religious fervor or religious hostility or animosity with the temple. So it is one-off case where actually it has nothing to do with any religious affiliation. That is one thing, but investigation, that's why we've asked for further 5 days police custody to ascertain all the facts of the matter so that we come to a proper conclusion of the case. And in fact we had also seen that one of the accused had an implement which he used. Okay, so we need to recover that. They also in the FIR there is also snatching of money and mobile phones of the complainants. So we need to recover that, for which we have asked for police custody. As of now, nothing to that effect has been ascertained, but we'll investigate into that, into all aspects of the matter.
In fact, the people out there, they were saying that even some boys were sitting in the steps also, and they were telling people, don't go inside the temple and all. So, is there any report about this?
This thing in fact happened it happened very fast. The first instance where one boy came and he asked for the Amul beverage and all that. After some time, in half an hour's time, again he came, brought his friends because of the first altercation. So there was nothing like that where actually people were constrained to go to the temple. Two instances happened very fast.
Because yesterday, as the incident happened, even we got call from the people, and we went to the place. We spoke to the people out there. So the people were like, they were saying that these people were actually hitting the people and all. Even in CCTV footage also we have seen.
True, that is true. They assaulted mother and son, and also people who tried to stop them. That is a fact.
And
How many injured?
Two minor injury and laboratories of the first aid.